Hello students, we are at the end of chapter 5 formatting in MS Word and our today's topic is creating a list. Now I guess all of you know what is a list. A list is number of related names or items written one below the other. And I think all of you have seen a list your mother writes before going for shopping. Before bringing the grocery items, we all prepare list of things that we need in the kitchen. You might have seen list of guests made before your birthday party. You make a list of friends and relatives that we are going to invite in the party. So list may be of two types. In our word we have two types of list, bulleted list and numbered list. Bulleted list can be used when things on the list can be placed in any order. Suppose we are going to make a fruit salad. So before we make a fruit salad, we will have to make a list of fruits that we are going to include in the salad. It may be a written list, it may be a mental list. So let us consider that we are going to write a list of food items that we are going to put in the fruit salad. So over here, it does not matter which fruit you give first or which fruit you give second. So in this case we can make a list of bulleted list. I'll show you how you can write it in the document. On the other hand, suppose I have asked you to make a list of the things that you eat in a day, and I want you to make it serially. Suppose from breakfast to lunch and then dinner. So for making this kind of list, a numbered list is important, because what you have eaten at the first, it should come at the top of the list, isn't it? So these are the two difference between bulleted list and numbered list. You will understand it when you will do it practically, that why is it sometime required to make a bulleted list and why is it sometimes required to make a numbered list. What is the difference between that? You will learn when you will understand this when you will make a list yourself. So I will just show you now that how you can make two types of list in MS Word. See children, over here in the paragraph group, this is the paragraph group. Over here you can see this one is for making bulleted list and the next one is for making a numbered list. So I will show you how to do this. See, this is a drop down arrow. On clicking this drop down arrow, you will get some options of the type of bullet that you want to need. Bullet means it can be a dot. See, if I click on this, I will get a dot. You can see here a dot have come. I will get different kinds of dot. This one will give me this kind of circle circle before the names. Excuse me. This will give me this kind of square. So there are different kinds of bullet. You can choose a bullet of your choice. Let us select this dot. Okay. Now I will write name of some fruits that I will use in my fruit salad. So you can see here children, I have written some name of fruits: apple, mango, pomegranate and cucumber. These are the fruits that I am going to include in the fruit salad. It does not matter which fruit I cut first and which fruit I buy first. All the fruits will go together in the salad. Now we have we have selected these dots. So there is a dot before each number. And as I have finished writing cucumber, you can see the cursor waiting over here. As soon as I will click on the enter key on my keyboard, for the next means when we click on enter key, the cursor moves to the next line, and for writing the next name of fruit, I will not have to put this dot again. It will come automatically as soon as I will click on the enter key. Just see, okay? I am on the enter key. I will click on the enter key. You will see the cursor will move to the next line. Along with that, a dot will appear before the cursor. Seen. Have you seen how it comes automatically? Because we have already selected the bulleted number list. So say let's add dates in the salad. It will become tasty then. Okay. So this is how we write our bulleted list. Again, if I will press the enter, the dot will come automatically. Now I will show you how to make a numbered list. Now see, once if you have selected this dot, you can change it also again. Go over here. Now you can change it also. Any sign you will click, it will be of that sign. Say let us choose this one. Okay, it does not matter, but the thing will be there will be no number, there will be only bullets, there will be only signs that these are the items that you are going to include in the list. For making a numbered list, we will go in the next one and click on the drop down arrow. These are the kind of numbers that you will get. It may be 1 dot, 2 dot, it may be 1 2 3 like this. It can be this kind of 1 2 3, it can be ABC. Okay, so these are the numbered list options. Let us choose this first one. So over here also I will type and I will get the next number automatically. I will show you now. So children, I have made a numbered list of the food that I have taken in a day. So this list I have made using numbers because this food I have taken in this order. In the morning I had a glass of milk and 2 biscuits. After that I had 2 chapatis and vegetables. Then in the mid morning I had some fruits. In the lunch I had rice and fish curry. Then for the fifth one, say in the evening I had some snacks. I want to move to the fifth one. I will just press the enter. On pressing the enter, you will see the number 5 will come automatically. Seen? So number 5 written, that evening snacks. And again if I want to write the dinner, I will click on the enter key and number 6 will come automatically. Now I can write what I will have in the dinner. So have you understood how to make this list? The first one is for bulleted list and the second one is for numbered list. So this much is only given in the book about formatting in MS Word. We will not do anything more than that. Maybe other things you will have in the future classes, in your higher classes you will have. So let's end the chapter over here and start with the exercises given.